Hey guys, hope you all doing well. Welcome back to another amazing video. So today we are going to change the AC vent of my Polo. So a lot of people used to question me regarding the AC vent, how to change and what will be the costing, and also in this video I'm going to show you all how to replace the AC vent and what will be the costing. Watch the video till end, guys. So installation process, so no need to open the dashboard and all. It's very simple, just plug and play type of thing. Now you can see, yes. Okay guys, so this is the result after installation. So this particular part was missing from the old AC vent, that's why I replaced, and plus the old AC vent was not able to stick like this. It was always used to go up, down and all, so that's why. So it's little stable. This AC vent is little stable. You can see now I can able to turn this left and right. So for this particular part only I changed this AC vent. So I'll quickly show you the old AC vent part. So see, this is the old AC vent part. This is the middle part. So due to this particular reason I changed this, and plus for this stability as well. Okay, so let me show you the blower as well. Okay, so you can hear the sound. So there is no any blockage for air, so it's working fine. Okay, as you all saw guys, this is a very simple process. You can do it by yourself as well. And this particular this particular AC vent I bought from offline store, so it costed around 1600 rupees. But if you want in a less price, same OEM part in a less cost, then you can buy from online from Boodmo. I'll add the link in the description, so you can click and buy it. So yep, that's it in today's video guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Meet you all in my next video. Till that, take care.